Welcome to a new episode of our channel. Today, we'll be diving into a fascinating topic that touches every aspect of our lives. How has art influenced society throughout the ages? We'll start our journey in the Renaissance, where art flourished and became a powerful tool for expressing ideas, and continue through to the digital age, where the methods of art and communication have completely transformed. So, let's begin our journey together. The Renaissance, a period spanning from the 14th to the 17th century, witnessed immense changes in European society. Art during this time was not merely decoration or entertainment, it was a reflection of the prevailing thought and philosophy. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo were not just painters, they were thinkers and scientists, using art to express their ideas about religion, science, and humanity. This painting, for example, is not just a depiction of the Last Supper. It is a complex study of balance, harmony, and human thought. And this statue, which depicts David before his encounter with Goliath, is not just a sculpture. It is a symbol of strength and human willpower. Over time, art began to take on new roles. In the 19th century, artists used their art as a tool to express social and political change. During this period, art started to reflect the conflicts and challenges that society was facing. In this painting, we find a powerful example of how art was used as a tool to express change and revolution. For Van Gogh, art was a means of expressing personal experience and psychological pain, which makes him one of the most notable artists in understanding the depth of the human condition. Today, we live in an entirely new era, where art goes beyond paintings and sculpture to include digital media. Digital art, video art, and artificial intelligence are all new tools for contemporary artists. Digital art, for example, provides artists with limitless tools for expression. It also makes art accessible to a much wider audience. Social media has also changed how we interact with art. Artists can now share their work and reach a global audience in moments. This significant shift has made art more democratic and inclusive. From the Renaissance to the digital age, we have seen how art has not only reflected the beauty of the world, but also served as a driving force for change in society. Art has helped shape our ideas and values, always serving as a mirror to intellectual and social developments. It continues to play this role even today in our digital era. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Share your thoughts in the comments about how art has impacted society and which artworks have personally influenced you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.